Hello guys, welcome back to Outsource AI. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of our uploads. I am back with another review, and today I am going to review ChatNode AI. So ChatNode AI is a chatbot creator. By using this tool, you can create chatbots that is going to be trained on your own data, and to add your data, you can either paste your text on ChatNode, or you can use a PDF file where you have all of your data, or you can also use URLs such as your web URLs in order to train your chatbot. And currently, ChatNode is available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200. But at AppSumo, you are getting 80 off, which means the price is only $49. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this AppSumo deal. So as you can see, you can embed chatbot on unlimited websites. You can add data using multiple sources. You can add custom colors. There are various chatbot sharing options. There is also the Slack integration. And if you use your own OpenAI API key, you are going to get access to GPT-4, which means your chatbot is going to be powered by GPT-4. And the default AI model is ChargeGPT 3.5. And here is the breakdown of the token that is mentioned on their plan. So the plan 1 is going to cost $49. And you are going to get 2,000 message 500K tokens on this. Then there is also Plan 2 and Plan 3 if you need more limits. And keep in mind that on Plan 2, you're going to get an additional feature, which is there is going to be no ChatNode branding. And on the Plan 3, the ChatNode branding is also not available. But there's another feature, which is you can get access to your chat history for 60 days. There are another 2 codes. The highest one is this one. So once again, this work token equals to 4 characters, as you can see on this plane. 1, you're going to get 500K tokens, and this token is going to be used to train your chatbot. So 1 token equals to 4 characters, and 4 characters equals to 1 word. So keep that in mind. So if you want to buy chat, not AI, on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. After you log into ChatNode, you will get this dashboard, and it is a pretty simple dashboard. On here, you can see how many messages you have used, which means the messages that are used during interactions with bot. You can also see the number of bots that you have left, and you can also see the usage reset date. And if you click on this dashboard and go to settings here, you can change some settings, such as you can add your own API key. And one of the base features of ChatNode AI is this API key feature, as well as their messages or token feature. So this is the subscription page of ChatNode. And on here, as you can see, there is also the message, which means the interaction with chatbot and token for training your AI. And then there is also the Open API key feature. And if you take your mouse to this question mark, as you can see, after you have used your ChatNode, messages will automatically switch to your OpenAI API key. So once the limit of message given by ChatNode is finished, for example, this 5,000 messages, you can use your own API key. And for that, there's going to be no restrictions. So I really like that they have given both of the options. You can use your API key and also the messages given by ChatNode. And to connect your API key, you have to come here and then paste your key. Now let's go to the dashboard, and from here you can start creating your chatbot. You can either click on New Bot or Create a Chatbot. So let's click on this. So on the right side, you can see a preview of your chatbot here. You can type the message, and on the left side, you can see the data adding methods. So the overall procedure of creating chatbot is super easy. You can either add a file, so the file could be PDF file, text file, docs file, and the maximum size is 150 megabyte. So if you click on this choose file, you can upload a file from your computer, and on that file you have to have your data, and then you can train your chatbot. Or you can also go to this text section, and on here paste your text, and based on the sticks your chatbot is going to be trained. You can also go to this URL section, and on this URL section you can paste the URL. For example, it could be the URL of your website, and if you click on fetch URL, ChatNode is going to crawl all of the pages, all of the information and data that is given on your website, and then train the chatbot accordingly. So I have already uploaded a PDF file and created a chatbot with that. So let me show you that. As you can see, here is the PDF file that I uploaded, and this is my chatbot. So if I click on these 3 dots, I can share or integrate this chatbot. I can add data, I can also access the history. I can go to settings, or I can also delete this. Now let's open this chatbot. So as you can see, the chatbot is now opened. And the opening message was, "What can I help you with?" And you have to type your message on this bottom site. So before I type any message, I like to show you the PDF file that I just uploaded. As you can see, this is the PDF file that I uploaded. It is about marketing management. So as you can see, there are a lot of information on this file now. I want to ask some questions to the chatbot from this PDF file. So let's ask about the core concepts of marketing. Let's copy this now. Let's type our question, as you can see here. Is my question. Now you have to press on the enter button of your keyboard to send the message. So here is our message, and the bot is now typing. So as you can see, here is user. And if I go back to the PDF file, so as you can see, the core concepts of marketing are needs, wants, demands, products. And as you can see on the answer, this is exactly what is given. So the chatbot is working greatly. Let's ask another question. So let's ask something else. Okay, so I'm going to ask these demand states and marketing tasks. Here is our question. And now let's say in this question, so as you can see, here is the answer. And if you remember the answer, there was no demand in Latin demand. So this is exactly given on this answer. And I have to say the chatbot is working pretty accurately now. Let's ask about this production concept after typing the question. Now let's send this. So once again, here is the answer. And it is also a very accurate answer. So I have to set the chatbot of ChatNode AI is working perfectly since I have tested this chatbot. Now let me show you some other things. So the first thing that pop up in your mind is how to share or integrate this chatbot. And for that, ChatNode has a lot of options. So all you have to do is go to the share and integrate. As you can see, there are so many options. If you want to use it as a pop-up chatbot, you can copy this script, and then you have to paste the script on your head deck. You can also embed this chatbot as an iframe. And for that, you have to copy this script. You can also integrate with Slack if you want. From here, you can also customize the color, the icon color, or the background color. And I really like that ChatNode is also giving a landing page or a web page to access the chatbot. So for this chat about the chatbot that I just created, here is the link. And if I go to this link, here is the chatbot. So this is amazing. I have to say there are so many ways to share or integrate your chatbot. And then there is the data section. So on here, once again, you can add your data, and you can also see the amount of token that has been used by a particular data, for example, this PDF file. And if you go to history, you can see all of the histories of your chatbot, which means all of the conversations that your chatbot is engaging with. And the last section is the settings. So on the settings, you can change the default greeting. You can also change the system prompt, which is the best prompt of this chatbot. You can also increase or decrease this creativity level. And obviously, on the sharing, you can make this chatbot private or public. You can get your share codes. And if you go to this user info, you can collect user information like forms or for lead generation. So if you turn on this collect name, it is going to collect name before engaging in a conversation with someone. You can also enable email or phone number, and then you can also change the button level, which is what is written on the button. After people provide their name, email, or phone number, you can also customize your chatbot with dark theme, meta dark, iOS light, iOS dark neutral, or custom color. You can change the MISC or the header, the chat bubbles. You can also change your chat and boot. You can enable the same button. So if you do not want people to send messages with pressing enter, you can simply enable this button. You can also add avatar to your chatbot. And if you go to this chat GPD section from here, you can select the AI model so kindly. It is set to chargeable 3. 5, you can take it to charge GPT-16K or GPT-4 for GPT-4. You have to add your own API key on here. So overall, Lighting Chat, not DOT AI, is an excellent tool. It lets you create your chat bots. And the best part is you can send messages. You chat bot using the message limit given by ChatNode. But if that limit is finished, you can also add your own API key to make sure you can send unlimited messages to your chatbot. So that is an amazing feature. You can also add data using various sources, such as you can use text or PDF files or even website URLs. So all in all, I have to search at Not AI as a solid chatbot creator. if you are interested. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.